up, everyone? Welcome and welcome back again to Ready Kit Foods, a channel of easy recipes, African traditional recipes, modern breakfast ideas, travel and events, and all that. If you are new in this channel, please consider viewing my videos, giving them a like, share with your friends, and subscribe if at all you have not subscribed. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always watching my videos. Thank you for your support. I love you all. And if at all you're watching videos, kindly don't skip the ads. If you want to promote Ready Kit Foods, don't skip the ads. So guys, in today's video, I want to prepare some croissants. You can use them for breakfast, you can use them as a snack, and I'll show you step by step how to make flavored, delicious, yummy croissants. So kindly watch this video until the end. I have my all-purpose flour and I'm going to use 4 cups. So make sure you sieve. You can use bread flour or all-purpose flour. So these are 4, but it all depends on the number of pieces that you want. It also depends on how big or how small your family is. This is just to give you the ratio so that from there you can take your own measurement. So stay tuned. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of salt, a cup of sugar, but I'm using powdered sugar. And I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of yeast. Stay tuned. A 1/4 cup of milk. Then you start by mixing up everything. Use your free hands for you to ensure that everything comes out perfectly. Add a little water. So guys, if you want it has to be very soft, and you have to continue pressing. You need a hard surface. So I'll put it aside. Then now I can continue making my dough here. So you have to make sure you do it until it gets soft. Make sure it has some shape so that it can all come in the same the dough to be round. So you cut it this way, you cut it across again. Depending on the size that you want, I think I'll make them a little bit smaller. So there's something I want to flavor it with some chocolate. So I'll leave it at this point. Please kindly stay tuned. And for me, I've just decided to use some chocolate. I've added some milk and some sugar. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some margarine, or you can use butter, or you can use some flour so that you make it thick, but still I can use this. So this is a mixture of chocolate, milk, and some sugar. So you just take your brush at least and add so what I will do, I'll take one, you cut at the middle, then you start rolling them this way. If you wish, you can put this the other side. So put it aside. So I'll continue the same way. Stay tuned. So this is how you fold. Make sure you press. You fold and you press. You fold and you press. You fold and you press, and then you just make sure the edges. Fix the edges. So this is almost the rest. I'm going to do big ones as well. These are the small ones that I've just done. So the next ones, I'm going to make them a little bit bigger. So stay tuned still. So guys, these are my croissants. I'm going to bake them at 190 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. So these are the small ones with some chocolate flavor, and these are just plain. So I'm going to show you the last stage that you have to do before you bake them. So stay tuned. So guys, this is my baking tray. I'm just going to wet pen it, lubricate it so that it doesn't stick. I also have my parchment paper with me. I'll place my parchment paper. I'm still going to whiten my parchment paper. So I will arrange them in here. And for the small ones, I'll also do them here. So next, before I put them to bake, I'm going to beat my egg, especially the yolk part. If you so wish, you can use milk, add a little milk to it. Then to make you juice them. So guys, already my oven is preheated. There's a cake I'm baking there and it's on, so I'm just going to put them in. So come with me. So I've placed it there, and the setting is for 190 degrees for 30 minutes and it will be done. So let's give it about 35 minutes, it will be done. Stay tuned. And you can just see, look at them. Look at these guys. They are done. So stay tuned, watch what I'm going to do next. You see, they are not sticking because I had lubricated the parchment paper. So this is can be used as a snack, guys. You can use it for breakfast. guys, this is how to make croissants, the best juicy. Look at how amazing they are. Look at how juicy they look. Whoa. Let me just try one. You see from inside. Whoa, look at this. Looking so yummy. If you want to see the flavor that I had put inside, you can see some chocolate inside. So guys, kindly watch this video until the end. Like my video, share, and try this recipe out. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye. Welcome.